What are you doing, Captain Combine?
I'm not Captain Combine.
You're not? What are you doing, not Captain Combine?
Well, we are just getting started on our first patch. It's a little dry land flat patch. It's actually doing pretty good. It might be doing 35 or 40. And then we'll be stopped again waiting for the irrigated. But it'll be worth it once we get into it.
How long will we be stopped?
I don't know, a couple days. It stays really hot. It'll come around. Gotta think positive, right?
I don't know. Not much positive this year, has it been?
Things could always be worse.